So growing up in the Bronx, I really cannot recall anything memorable that during my school days pertaining to science. There was definitely no encouragement to pursue a STEM path. I actually developed an appetite for science in college, so I consider myself a late bloomer. I started taking courses, some were required, and what I found is that it was like an abyss, that you could learn so much, and science just evolves over and over again, and there's always something new happening. So I decided that I wanted to learn more, so I kept taking more science courses. So that's how I actually became a scientist. The reason why I started BioLogue Laboratorium is because working at the college and instructing students, I found that they were intimidated by the equipment and the terminology, and therefore they wouldn't pursue a career in STEM because the courses they felt were too challenging, or that they would lose their scholarship. So I felt that introduce this information or material to youth at an earlier age, as early as 5 years old, that would give them a robust foundation and build their confidence. Many employers are seeking individuals that have the critical thinking and problem-solving skills. And the design of BioLogue Laboratorium is to fascinate youth with STEM applications, as well as to provide them with the skill sets that are transferable in the workplace. My name is Gladys DeLancey Bolden. I am a scientist and the founder and CEO of BioLogue Laboratorium.